So friends, in this video, I'm going to run a hearing assessment test which will be very beneficial for you to know the condition of your ear and for medical purpose too. But before that, I would like to inform you that if you want to know any information or solution to ear problem, then I have made a video which will definitely clear all your doubts, and for your assistance, I have provided link in description below. Let me inform you the basic rule that I am going to ask you 10 questions. I will also provide the solution simultaneously, and I request you to note down all the number of correct answers given by you and wait for the final results. Before starting, I request you to please plug in your earphone or headphone or adjust the volume according to you. So friends, here come the end of the test, and I hope you have noted down all the correct answer. And undoubtedly, I want to tell you that if you answered 7 to 10 questions, then no doubt your ear is really very good and you don't need to take any tension about your ear. Even though if you answered 5 to 6 questions correctly, then also you need not to be worried. You should listen to the audio once again and check it, or otherwise I have provided a special hearing assessment test for which I have given the links in the description below. And if it is below 5, then it is really a matter of concern and you should listen 1 or 2 more hearing assessment tests, and finally you should meet a doctor regarding this issue.